Dry clothing quickly in the smallest of spaces with the versatile ultra-compact dryer from Equator Advanced Appliances. Featuring 2.6 cubic feet of space, this is the perfect option for tiny homes, studio apartments, and all other compact living spaces. The ED848 model works with any 120-volt electrical outlet, and it is driven by 1400 watts of power. It is built with a durable and rust-resistant stainless steel drum, which offers a drying capacity of 9 pounds. Enjoy the added comfort of the built-in door safety switch, which is an essential feature for those who have children. Weighing just 48.5 pounds, transporting the unit is surprisingly easy, even for individuals living in multi-level buildings. Operating the dryer is a breeze thanks to its digital settings. Set custom dry times for specialty items anywhere between 90 and 200 minutes. Maintaining your new ultra-compact dryer is simple thanks to the removable lint filter, and thanks to its easy-to-clean air intake. Depending on your individual needs, you can select either the freestanding or wall-mounted option. As always, this appliance comes with Equator's 1-year parts and labor warranty. Tackle your laundry needs in any size space without sacrificing quality or efficiency with Equator's ultra-compact digital dryer. Now available from Equator Advanced Appliances.